Welcome to Kyra's kitchen. Today we will be making peanut butter and Nutella fudge. We start with a bowl of melted butter. And next we add a bowl of melted peanut butter. Mama, can you please help in taking it out? Now we need to mix this very nicely. And there should be no lumps. We add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we mix it again. Now we add a big bowl of sugar. Now we're going to mix it again. Now we're going to pour the batter into the mold. Mama, should I take out the spatula? For 5 minutes for the peanut butter to settle. Now the peanut butter is set. Then we are going to add 2 teaspoons of Nutella. We drop it everywhere. Delicious! Now we are going to use a toothpick to swirl it round and round the garden like a teddy bear. Round and round the garden like a Nutella bear. Now we are going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. See you after 2 hours. The fudge is out of the fridge now. Now it is time to taste it. My fudge is ready. Yummy, yummy.